Hi guys, I'm back. And today we're going to do a project. What is making a tie-dye shirt? And the things we need is right here on the table. So the things we need are dun 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 dun. So you need a white t-shirt, scissors, rubber band, this tie, and a dye. Here you need also water and a big tray. So I have also a new guest because you see the scissors are sharp and it might be dangerous. So I need an assistant from a grown-up. That is Ninang!
Hi! How are you, Matthew?
Fine.
What are we going to do today?
Making a tie-dye shirt.
Wow, that's interesting. Let's start?
Yes!
Let's begin!
Oh, I almost forgot. We also need gloves. When you touch it, you think it will not stain your hand, but it will.
Okay.
So you need gloves so it will only stain the gloves. And when you remove the gloves, your hand is fine. Let's begin.
Let's begin!
First, you put your t-shirt on a flat surface.
Then we will make a different design. You need to put the rubber bands here.
Okay.
I'll get the rubber bands.
We need 1, 2, 3, 4.
For my shirt, I'll make a different design.
What is the design?
It will be something like this. Then I'll use the cable tie.
And then so you put it down and then you put it also here?
Yeah. Then we'll cut this excess tie.
With scissors.
With scissors.
Oh.
So now we're going to apply the colors. We don't have a bottle, so we will use the alternative way. Sorry guys, we don't have a bottle. This is what we made! What's the next step?
We will wash it with this big bowl on my head.
And then we will dry it off and we will wear it and show it to them.
And then Matthew will wash myself inside it. So this is the finished project of our tie-dye. and it's also perfect for the beach. That's why we're also into the beach. So guys, that's all for today. I have to enjoy the don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.